Welcome to IAI Labs. We are proudly introducing an AI-empowered design tool, Auto3D. Upload a warehouse CAD file. You may include additional warehouse elements in the design. We will send you a URL with your warehouse in a 3D model for free. Stay tuned. Now, let's take a look at the 3D warehouse. The 3D warehouse can be a warehouse with, or without storage racks. This is an empty warehouse. This is a warehouse with multiple types of storage racks. How do you show your warehouse to your customer? Can your customer understand the warehouse through the picture? Let the technology be your spokesperson to win your customers. Try now for a limited time free.